With a vast territory and a long history, China offers so much to see and explore. We have listed for you the top 15 must-visit attractions in China for any classic China tours. Number 5. The Potala Palace in Tibet. The Potala Palace is a symbol of Tibet. In 1994 it was declared a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site. It is a huge treasure house of materials and articles from Tibetan history, religion, culture and art. The palace is widely known for the precious sculptures, murals, scriptures, Buddhist statues, antiques, and religious jewelry housed within. You could witness the architectural miracle containing the regal heritage of Tibet, listen to stories of Dalai Lamas who lived in the palace, and view the palace from the 4 best angles. Tibet doesn't accept independent travelers. Traveling with a travel agency is required. Contact us to explore the main highlights from Lhasa to Everest Base Camp. Tibet permits for traveling Tibet. Number 4. Daoqing Yating Nature Reserve. Daoqing Yating Nature Reserve is called the last pure land on Earth, and the last Shangri-La due to its breathtaking natural scenery. I want to go there with my sweetheart to see the clear blue sky, the snow-capped mountains, and the golden meadows, to experience an autumn fairy tale. A Chinese romantic drama movie, I Belong to You, made Daoqing a desirable romantic place to visit. As early as 1928, the Austrian-American explorer Joseph F. Rock visited Daoqing and captured its beauty, printing pictures of it in the National Geographic magazine and making it known to the world. The Tibetan culture experience is another highlight in this route. You can see many ancient monasteries and Tibetan-style houses during the trip. Number 3. The Jade Dragon Snow Mountains in Lijiang. Jade Dragon, Yulong, Snow Mountain is in the closest snow-capped mountain range to the equator outside the Andes. Jade Dragon Snow Mountain is sacred in the hearts of Naxi people. Glaciers, canyons, waterfalls, and colorful azaleas blooming at different elevations, not to mention its snowy summits, make up the most beautiful scenery of the mountain. Jade Dragon Snow Mountain is a popular hiking destination. Skip the cable cars and ascend the lofty mountain step by step to get close to its beauty and feel its awesomeness. You will cross a grassland and go through a forest to get to a meadow at the southern foot of the mountain range. You could find cows in the forest, and if you are lucky, you will see yaks on the meadow. From March to May, the slopes are covered with azalea flowers. Number 2. The Mogayo Caves in Dunhuang. The Mogayo Caves are famous for their exquisite murals and Buddhist statues. The Mogayo Caves were included in UNESCO's World Cultural Heritage List in 1987. Artists from different periods of the Middle Ages left their work there. All kinds of works spanning over 1,000 years complement each other. Standing out in the desert, the Mogayo Caves are like a glittering pearl that adorns the Silk Road. In addition to visit these wonderful caves, you could get some hands-on archaeological experience. We can take you to the Dunhuang Research Academy. There, you can linger over copies of murals created by masters, and can copy a sample mural on a mud slab with your own hands under the guidance of the teacher. Number 1. The Terracotta Army in Xi'an. The Terracotta Army has laid underground for more than 2,000 years. However, in 1974, farmers digging a well uncovered one of the greatest archaeological sites in the world. In 1987 it became World Cultural Heritage. It is significant because the hundreds of detailed life-size models represent the army that triumphed over all other Chinese armies in the Warring States period, 475 to 221 BC. And who were the decisive factor in forming a united China. It raises interesting questions about why it was made, which await your consideration when you come face to face with soldiers of the past. You could make your own warriors at a cave dwelling where there are only a few craftsmen left who continue to work in a traditional way. The video has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot for us to continue bringing this type of content here. Until the next video.